Viewers of Savarsan YouTube channel, Assalamu alaikum. Our today's video contains 15 sayings of Imam Ali about friendship. So watch this video.
Number 41. Hold on to every friend who is brought close to you by hard times and who benefits you in times of distress. Number 42. Be warm-hearted to your friend and he will be warm-hearted towards you. Honor him and he will honor you. Give him preference over yourself and he will give you preference over himself and his family. Number 43. A good companion is a blessing. Number 44. An evil companion is a curse. Number 45. When the disloyalty of a friend becomes evident, forsaking him becomes easy. Number 46. Through good companionship, camaraderie increases. Number 47. How bad a colleague the ignoramus is. Number 48. How evil a comrade the envious one is. Number 49. When your friend takes you as a brother, then be like a servant to him and accord him with true loyalty and perfect sincerity. Number 50. When the sins of a friend increase, the joy of being with him decreases. Number 51. The friend has been named Sadiq because he is truthful to you about your nature and faults. So have confidence in one who does this, for he is your true friend. Number 52. The comrade has been named Rafiq because he encourages you to improve your religion. So whoever assists you to improve your faith, then he is a concerned comrade. Number 53. Sit in the company of the people of piety and wisdom and increase your discourse with them. For if you are ignorant, they will enlighten you. And if you are knowledgeable, you will increase your knowledge. Number 54. Good companionship increases the affection of the hearts. Number 55. The jealousy of a friend is an ailment of his friendship.